how beautiful Mogadishu is. Can't even open my eyes, there's that much sun. Have a look. This is Somalia. It's not what you pictured Somalia to be, is it? To be honest, neither did I. I was pleasantly surprised when I got here and I told this is where we're staying, which is City University of Mogadishu. Big up them for hooking man up. And yeah, it's absolutely amazing in Somalia. Check it out. What's going on back home, people? I heard there's like some bomb that went off in London. Yes, big up Handsworth, 21. The big one. The ship. That's the main port. Let's see if we can capture it. This behind me is the Turkish embassy as well. This building. You can see their little masjid over there. This is the masjid. And yeah, basically banging. Beautiful. Come to Somalia. They eat bananas with everything though. Everything. In the morning you wake up, yeah, you have banana and toast. I'm not even joking. It was like pancake and banana. That was the breakfast, fam. Swear down. And then with every meal it's banana and rice and whatnot. And then we had some camel steak as well. But I didn't really like it. It was a bit. And what else I have? Camel milk. I don't know if people have had this sort of stuff before. But yeah, but now I was like, yo, I want chips, man. I just miss chips. I'm a simple guy. I don't need all of this other stuff. I just want chips. I just want chips. Do I ask for too much? What I want to do though is I want to get more like traditional Somalian clothing, like my brother Abdullah is wearing over here.
Assalamu alaikum.
I need to get me a hat like that.
A hat like this?
And like a whole outfit, like proper bright. You know the way the bright colours here. Yeah, so I'm gonna get like a blue or orange or something.
Inshallah.
But I was just showing everybody how beautiful it is. The people, they didn't expect it. When they see it, they say, "Wow, this is Somalia."
This is Somalia. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Whatever they tell you, don't believe in the media. Mogadishu is beautiful. Somalia is beautiful. It's coming back.
Give us some quick facts about Mogadishu.
Mogadishu has been through a lot. Been through hell. 20 years civil war, but the past 5 years it's coming back alive.
Coming back
Alive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Jazakallah khair. Oh,
I've been appointed as the new Minister of Youth of the southern region. In Arabic it's Wizarat
Wazir.
Wazir Shabab. Shabab Niam.
Can't use that word in this country. But yeah. Oh, look at this. Check this out. This university. That's the football pitch over there. So later on, I'm gonna have to show these like my skills and that, innit? Know about the skills and that. That's the football pitch there. So I'm gonna have to show them about the Paki Ronaldo because they don't know about the Paki Ronaldo. I watch them play. These guys can run, man. Their legs are like this thin, yeah, and they're just running through the non-stop. Bare stamina. But obviously, man's gonna bring the skill in it. I got that touch. It's all about the touch. Use my pace. See people swimming in the sea. Need to get me some of that guard stuff that they chew though, like see what that's all about. Let me show you like a thingy, the beach properly and that. How do I flip this camera? Oh, there it is. the benefit of those who have just started watching this video, this is Somalia. Right, it's our lunchtime now. So I need to go have lunch. How relaxing is that though? You're sitting out here with these like little fishing boats. They're not pirate boats, by the way, they're fishing boats, yeah? Don't get it twisted. Big up my man. This is what it's all about. The rice and banana combination is what I'm going to try today. Nizo's already did it. What was the rice and banana like? Oh, and to drink, it's grapefruit juice, which they told me is good for losing weight, so I've been drinking it. This is the good stuff. You heard it here first. Pure grapefruit juice. What was it? Don't add sugar.
This is the Italian called bombello.
Don't add sugar and don't add water. And then boom. That's the secret to winning. Grapefruit juice.
It's not any grapefruit, it's a Somali grapefruit.
It's not just any grapefruit, they said. This is a Somali grapefruit.
Either it's tasty bitter, this one tastes nice.
Wow, the sweetest grapefruit in the world. Okay guys, we're gonna eat, inshallah, and then we've got some more work to do. I'll see you guys later on. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.